Somizi had a video where he was talking about life and he didn't just get here. The ndaba imali and the stuff that he's going through, his struggles, you know. So I was just like, you know what, you know what, this one was really a millionaire before. People go through things, guys, don't go to believe it. You'll be like, what? That's another talk for another day, because I know I've been through some stuff, guys. Some crazy things. You feel good. What? When am I gonna in me? Like, yeah, people go through some stuff, and hard work does pay, though. That's what I can tell you. It takes a long time. Sometimes, because Somizi was even saying, good, and it took him 3 years to get back again. In 2006, it took him at least until 2009. Would be right? I'm just like, you know what, life is not easy though, guys. Usex asenjalo uthi he took it to his Instagram ukuthi hey, ayizange i-Uber driver, it humbled me ngale ndlela i-Uber driver. I was just like, what has just happened here? Uthi ke abize i-Uber ke hayi Uber ke on the way they are talking to unikeza unit number uthi ayino uzofikela endaweni ukuthi Uber driver athi wena cela ubuza ukuthi you have even greeted me, it doesn't even pay you 5 rand ukuthi umbingelele. Yo, awubingeleli ngani? Uthi yona Uber driver uphi? I love him to bits. But guys, I think he just forgot. He doesn't look like the type of Usomizi that wouldn't greet you. Yeah, it doesn't look like umuntu ozikhukumeza to that point. I think he just forgot, guys. Yeah, so kubingelela, guys, is important, and it has happened in so many places where dala man, you know how it's been. It took you people lost sitting at the rank, right? Bayihlalele i-6 ayigcwale. Afika umuntu athi yaphi i-6 to how uzobingelela nini? Bafuna bakubuka abantu, you know. They just used to look at you like, hey, please. Ukhuluma nathi kanjani? So it's the same story. So uthe nje ngeke fanele amthiphe lo Uber driver uphi, uthi oh my gosh ngimthandani. We humbled me to a point where he cancelled me. Oh, guys, I've never laughed so hard in my life. Kodwa ke ayifani naye ke at the end of the day Usomizi doesn't even look like the type that wouldn't greet i-Uber driver. Sidlule lapha bese kuba lo sesilo uSign Buji. Sign Buji, guys, there's just been this huge story about her where she has this ad, right? Hi, ad yakhona iyakhuluma, beautiful ad, right? Iveza nama-townhouse cute. Oh no, you can't get a job. Azange aqede, guys. But silalela la ufana nalamanye ama-influencer are busy or are involved in some company of trafficking children. There are children in some country that were trafficked. Namanje South Africa is the embassy there, she is busy with them to bring them back. So you want guys go to we can't. And manje is corners they very shady. It's like, okay, it's girls from 18 to 22, guys. They don't even come back, guys. People are like, contractor, please stop promoting HT. Why are you promoting those things? No, sisi, please, bam track. Text us enjoy how. Sengibona futhi usisi usine part. And then I didn't know which she's a PK. Pastor's kid. I was just like, how? What? And uyacula usisi. You can see Utabutilo was brought up in a church. I'm like, what? Apparently, parents are pastors. She was leading the song. Sisters. I was like, I'm shocked for days. Love that about her. Uguchi, she's a PK. But I was surprised at the same time. I'm PK, I'm a BBL. Ushaya abantu sometimes. Hey, this is other things. Uge waduma nguthi waye kwashaya manager yakhe, way trap star, Mura. I'm just like, hey, I got to know about that. And then I just wanted to put my 2 cents as well around Historiska Tando Duma when she said in some podcast, people were dragging us. Just like, what? She said there, her man, her husband basically, doesn't have a child. I think I was on the tip because I have 1 child. Back in the days though, not now, if you had to ask me. But it wasn't that hectic as Ntando's one, you know. She was just like, yeah, no, mina, ngeke. Ajabula ngami nje futhi in any case bangeke bese ngijole nomuntu onengane. Yo, amudunsa. They dragged her. They were just like, hey, please, Kahle. Who even says things like that? Yeah. So I just wanted to put my 2 cents and say, you know what? It's not ideal to say those things like Utando. It's not like that. It's not ideal. And who says that also in 2025? Yeah, sorry, I just saw some creator who was just don'ting her about lento ukuthi hawu unengane kodwa awuyifuni indoda enengane. So guys, like there's some things that you can say on podcast. I think she would have just said that maybe on the side, sebexoxela nje ne-that podcaster, you know. Ukuthi oh no, you know, Jemina, I will never not live, you know. Yeah, those things are not ideal, guys. Please, let's just be realistic sometimes. You start to dream about stuff that exist. You know? Because you're trying to avoid baby mama. Yeah, so it's a long story. We won't finish it today. I know I can't date a man who has a child. I mean, guys, it's not ideal. Please. Mese kuba ilento lo ukuthi inkosi uMisizulu ufanele sikhokhe u-R10 for his upkeep. All these years bebemkhokhela ngani salary and his upkeep ngoba that person lives a luxurious life. He's always lived it in any case. The fact that he went to Michael House, imali school fees lapho around 300,000 a year, and then back in the days even, and then he went overseas to study there. Guys, manje since I don't have a problem to take out R10 every month, but really, hey, well, all of a sudden, so you need our money now. No, enough from the taxes that we're paying. So the kings and there are people, when I say there are people, the staff, they must be paid. And then he went on also in Misuzulu to slaughter 3 cows to say sorry to his sister. Yeah, I couldn't in some videos, just like there is no way I can put that video on my channel. The next thing YouTube is like, I was serious right now. And you about the channel, it hasn't even been monetized. I've been struggling with it to be monetized because it's got 1,000 subscribers. It was YouTube is still reviewing it because unama video. But I'm just like, guys, you've seen there's no video. That's not mine. The only video that I put this week was but I don't put videos, man. I use my voice. So sometimes about guys, when it comes to IT, YouTube, yeah, because I understand in mind, because sometimes I need to control an robot. I'm just like, that's it. I just control it. Robot, la move. Busy picking up his up. So when I was just like, yo, emuchuka usisi wakhe ubrothers manje kumhlabela inkomo ezu-3. I'm sorry sis. Sisi, I am sorry for ukuthi ngikuhlambalaze ngoba I just feel ukuthi both of them, but I think inkosi yona yayiphuzile that day, ephuze amponjwana. Akufuneki ukuthi ukhulume kabi and usho izinto engekho right because i-spokesman sakhona sawasigiva la sathi mina kuyela futhi ukhuluma ngenkosi. I was just like, ayikho umuntu okhulume ngayo ku-social media already. Please stop. Even you kusukelana nabantu nenkomo ezu-3 they are already in social media. Uzosesuke bethi abantu bakhuluma ngaba kekho umuntu. Mina nje I've never futhi ngikhuluma inkosi kabi like there's no need. Okay, asivale ngale video ke le no, asivale ngalesi story sikaSima where she was explaining indaba ye-start program lesi engithe senziwe uSain Bhuji le company kuthiwa I know they're in Russia. ERussia ke nje i-ATT bayayithanda if you've seen in the movies. Ingane zakhona nje qala zisasencane kuthiwa no, she's going to be a model in New York in una 16 umuntu usase New York uyokwenza in lapha. So yazwa ke yeah, so uthi uSima no, mina ngicela uku-apologize guys, yini hayi kabi i-start programming fooled me basically. So ngathi usekhansele yonke into wacima ama-video abo wathi lalelani, you can take your money actually ningabe nisayikhokha nginipha yona mina ngifuna ungena enkingeni ngoba nami I am a young girl basically. So if you're gonna be saying to me I must promote rubbish. No, I'm not going to do that. Guys, lalela siyafuna nasama brands, and it's hard to get brands if you're doing news. But if you figure out to be like dicing God, when I have a daughter as well who's 24 and my late sister's child is 21, ngeke uyangihlangela. Basically, I'm just gonna have to put it out there bluntly like that and not sugarcoat anything. Ukuhlangela thing of busy influencers. There's quite a few actually who did it. Abanye, they haven't even taken down the videos. We won't even mention them by names, but they must just take down that crap. It's not right for South Africans. We've gone through a lot, guys. To know HT or GBV. There's a lot going on. We're not busy promoting please. Guys, another story that cracked me up. That is trending. Umek G, no robot boy. Bagui Ilembe, Oshaka Ilembe. I was just like, what? Some people are laughing at them. Some people are just like, and then, Guys, it's Ogesime Lapo. I appreciate you guys so much. Please and subscribe, guys, and just watch the ads as well on my channel. Gintanda over. Thank you.